Allie, where are you going to go?
Where's her, clothes?
She won't wear them. Where are you going now? Jungle Gym? Let's go to the Jungle Gym. Where are we going to go? Say hi, Nana, Papa.
Hi, Nana, Papa.
Tell them what you're going to do.
I'm telling Nana, Papa.
No, you were going to send this to them. So say, I'm going to go to the Jungle Gym.
I'm not going to do Nana, Papa.
They miss you.
I miss you, Nana, Papa.
Who's in your stroller?
Aaron.
Where's he going to go?
To the Jungle Gym too.
Is he going to go down the slide?
No.
No.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
I see on that camera.
You want to see what's on there?
Yeah.
Your sister.
Oh.
Let's walk up to the Jungle Gym and I'll show you.
Okay.
Hey, Allie.
Yeah.
Did you go swimming yesterday?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Did you dunk your head under the water? Watch where you're going. You're going to go off the edge. I don't know if that'll go up in the yard, Al.
Why?
I don't know. Well, let's leave it here and then we'll walk up there to the gym. Okay. Hey, Allie.
What?
How old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah.
2 twos?
Yeah.
Wow.